Hello, everyone. This is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com. Hope you're enjoying yourself on this long weekend and that you had a good week. So let's take a look at what's been happening with the dollar here. And on Friday, we actually negated the downside and pushed upwards up to the highs here around the 94.20 level. Now that level is significant in that on the larger time frame, the weekly, this is basically the 38.2 fib level. So we could see one of two things here. Now, firstly, if we go to our hourly time frame, I expect to see at least a little bit of a pullback here down to 94.05. If we hold that level, then we should, look for another push above the, recent highs around the 94.22 up to around the 95.06, 95.05 level before we do see a nice reversal. So let's go back to that daily time frame just to kind of show you what I'm looking at here and to kind of shift the chart a little bit to the right. You can see that after we broke above the 93.50 level, we are now basically between these two major price levels where we closed and where we broke out from or broke higher from. So after we filled that gap, we continue to push to the upside here right near that 38.2 fib. I'm expecting to see a little bit of a pullback to 94.05, could go as low as 93.90, and then we could potentially come back up. If we break this fib level, then we're going to be onwards and upwards to the previous highs here around the 95 excuse me, 95.05, 95.06 area, and then we should have a pretty nice move back down to at least 94.23. And after a few days of trying to hold this area, we should continue to push to the downside and then onwards, eventually heading back down to those 91.60s and so on. But that's obviously going to be a little bit of a ways in the future here. So for the near term and for the first half of the week or so, should be seeing which direction we go here. Obviously, if we break, then we're going to go up to those 95.06, 95.05s. If we happen to fail this area, then we'll be pushing down below 93.90 here. Will take us all the way down to those 93.60s, and then I imagine we'll see another bounce back up to test those 93.90s. And if we fail, then obviously we start pushing back to the downside here. Next level to really watch for is around 93.